We'd like to present Poetry Pointers, a site designed to help poetry beginners explore four different types of poetry forms and learn how to get started with the one that fits them best. Here on the menu, we highlight the four poetry types, and you can hover over each one to get a quick sense of what they're about. This is our homepage, which offers a short introduction to poetry and what users can expect from the site. I will scroll through the page here so you can see the layout and the overview we provide. Now we'll move into our quiz section, which is the main product of our site. The quiz is created for users who want to discover which poetry form best matches their personality, interests, and writing style. When the quiz begins, the user enters their email so they can receive their results later. This helps them keep track of their progress and revisit their outcomes whenever they want. Once they start, they're guided through a set of multiple choice questions. Each question aligns with one of the four poetry forms we focus on. The quiz is meant to be simple, welcoming, and reflective. There are no right or wrong answers. Instead, the questions help users learn more about their creative tendencies and what type of poetry they naturally gravitate toward. Users can take the quiz at their own pace, and the interface allows them to focus on one question at a time. As the quiz continues, the system analyzes the user's choices and starts identifying patterns. When they finish, they're brought to a results screen that reveals which poetry form fits them best, along with a brief explanation of why that form matches their style. The page also provides access to an optional worksheet tailored specifically to that poetry type. The worksheets include guided practice, prompts, and tips to help users get started with writing in that form. None of the worksheets are required to complete. Users can explore them freely and return to them whenever they'd like. After viewing their results, users can go to an optional survey page where they can leave comments, share their experience, and offer suggestions to help improve the site. Once they submit the survey, they can review their previous responses or restart the quiz if they'd like to try again. Yeah, thank you for viewing our demo of Poetry Pointers.